Welcome to the Make It Sad Podcast.
We back. It's Monday morning, and we're recording on a Monday morning.
Oh yeah.
We are late. Mahaba yung kwento, but anyway, we are moving houses, and that's why we ghosted you last week. And so for this episode, we are gonna talk about Taylor Swift. We're gonna talk about the album.
We are down bad.
Yes. We're talk about
down bad, crying at the gym. Sorry. Some boses.
Potulant. So, we're gonna talk about Taylor Swift. But before that, I have a few things para lang matanggal ko na sa checklist.
Okay, game.
So, number 1. Ano ba ang Rustance? I wrote that down eh. Parang, I guess I was 30 years old now when I found out what it was.
What is it? Like a department store?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, what's a department store?
A place that you can get a lot of different things.
I know, pero parang who?
Pero mahal.
That's true. Pero, like what, SM department store, all these department stores, like, ano ba ang nasa department store?
Why is it called a department store?
Yun nga eh. Baka kasi maraming department.
Tortured Poets Department. Is that why you were talking about this? Nagkataon lang.
Ano ba?
Tortured Poets Department.
Is that?
That's the name of the album.
That's the name ba?
The Tortured Poets Department. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Tama diba?
Let's call it Tortured Poets
Department Store.
we
we should open a department store called Tortured Poets Department Store.
So, before that, yun, I guess parang...
But why is it called department store? Departure? Ganon? Parang aalis ka?
Hindi.
Parang aalis ako, so bibili ako ng gamit. Ganon?
Kasi...
What's a department? What's a department?
It's a department is a...
it's a group.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Well,
Marketing department.
Yeah, it's a...
So why would you call it department store?
Hindi ba dapat departments?
Departments.
Store? Kasi maraming department. May kitchen department.
Dapat
may
nga.
Food department. May clothing department. May men's department. So dapat departments store.
Nga. Different department store.
Dapat ganon.
DDS.
DDS.
Which I think, di ba yung owner ng Rustance, ano? Ito na naman, joke lang. Hindi ko alam.
Anyway, yung Rustance kasi, ewan ko, parang I think, I was a very young kid and I was always like, ano ba yan?
Mm-hmm.
What is there? What ba?
Basta alam ko maganda yung aircon.
That's true. Ang department store lagi malamig.
Oh, hindi tulad ng H&M sa Uptown Mall. Sobrang init.
Okay, so
parang recurring complaint ko yun.
Another thing, ako, ito, mega complaint.
Mm-hmm.
Whoever owns Digital Walker, maybe you should tell your staff, like, they should know what they're selling.
It's not even that they don't know it.
It's just not that they don't know. Sorry, mali pala na they should know. They should like people. Diba?
It would be great if they knew what they were selling.
I'm sorry if if may stray bullet yung iba. Pero in my experience, I'd say 1 out of 10 Digital Walker staff have been like, oh na.
That's very,
Shout out, there's one guy, the 1 out of 10 is in Digital Walker Eastwood Mall.
1 out of 10 ang
is
okay?
Ang mabait.
Yeah.
Sorry, not mabait. Not even mabait. Excited bumenta. Parang gustong bumenta. Kaya ako, when I do get like kasi this is a pet peeve, sorry.
Yeah.
It's a pet peeve of mine na when you say, meron kayong ganito? Ay, wala eh.
Kaagad.
Ay, wala,
kaagad.
Wala eh. So, true enough, yesterday na naman, sabi ko, hey, sabi ko, meron ba kayong yung shocks na
ay, wala. Dapat meron ba kayong, ay, wala po.
Yeah.
Wala pong ganun.
So, I was...
Face out na po. Wala pa kang sinasabi, face out na.
So, sabi, wala eh. Sabi ko, ay, okay.
Tell me what shocks are.
It's for running. So, it's bone conduction earphones.
Sobrang wild. I just found out about
Hindi
this.
nga siya earphones eh.
I just headphones?
Bone
Bone phones?
phones.
Jim just told me about this
Yeah.
yesterday. So
I just found
apparently-
out also. Like I've been searching kasi yung earbuds ko na deads na. So I needed something for running. And then I've been nagsesearch ako. Tapos yun nga, apparently may thing called bone phones.
They're not called
They're not called bone phones. Pero you put it here, oh.
Just
It's just
by the
outside
bone.
the ear. So there's nothing inside your ears so that you can run and still hear the cars.
For safety.
So nag-testing ako dun sa digital walker actually. Nakakatawa. Tapos, ano talaga siya? May kiliti lang siya na weird. It's weird.
Was it
But
sensual?
No. It was a bit annoying.
I wanna try that.
Okay lang. Yeah. Kasi magpa-podcast naman ako eh. Kaya I was like nawiwirdohan kasi like puro mga down bad, dug 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 pak.
Pero okay yun. At least naririnig mo yung surroundings mo.
Yeah, I mean, pero ang bastos naman ng mga driver dito sa Pilipinas. I mean, busina naman ang busina.
Ano ka ba? It's for safety. Oh, anyway. So
Anyway.
naghanap ka ng shocks. It's called
So-
shock. What brand is it? by
I
the
don't
way?
want to, I know.
I'm very interested.
Yeah, so I went.
But I will not go to Digital Walker to look for it.
Yes.
Kasi, kasi ano nangyari sa'yo?
So, punta ako doon. Sabi ko, sabi wala. Sabi ko, do you have any running earphones or like headphones? Wala eh. Sabi ko, okay. So I continued walking. And then sure enough, pagtingin ko dun sa dulo, there was a whole cabinet, not cabinet, the glass, whatever, of running hearing, music listening equipment.
As in, there was a section for it. There was a department.
There was a department. Okay. The tortured.
Running department.
And then I said, ito. Hindi ba ito yun? Sabi niya, oo, pero ano yun eh, pink yan eh.
Labo! Di ba?
Tapos sabi ko,
Okay.
pero ito yun, di ba? Ito yung shocks na pwedeng kang tumakbo. Tapos sabi niya, yan yun. Sabi ko, okay, sabi mo kasi wala eh. Sabi niya,
Pambabae kasi yun eh.
that's what he said. He
Weh.
said that. Mababae kasi yan eh. Sabi ko, bakit? May ano ba? Yung sa shape ng ulo. Alam ko naman eh. I guess I just wanted, medyo mainit lang ulo ko. Kaya I wanted to keep on going. So sabi ko like, bakit? Iba ba yung shape ng ano?
May
Yung-
boobs ba sa ulo?
So anyway, that's one. And then last,
Oh my
ako,
gosh.
before we do tortured poets thing. Here's something that I wrote. Can we please stop making vanilla the term for basic?
Is that still a thing? When did that start
Kasi
happening?
People, di ba people say like vanilla siya. Vanilla personality niya.
I think, when did that start happening? When we were in college ba?
Hindi nga.
Parang.
Basic, yun yung lagi namin sinasabi. Like basic bro yan eh.
Vanilla.
People don't say naman, here, hindi naman vanilla yan eh.
I've heard someone say vanilla. He's pretty vanilla.
Yeah.
Ganon. Kainis.
Kainis.
Sarap-sarap ng vanilla eh.
Sarap ng vanilla eh. Lahat ng kinainan kong ice cream, vanilla.
He's pretty vanilla. I bet.
Like ako,
So, mabango?
Kung ano, like, for me, vanilla is the true test of a restaurant.
I agree. So, just for,
Parang if a
for,
restaurant-
for reference lang. So, for those who don't know, people sometimes label other people as vanilla when they mean to say that they're pretty boring or walang personality,
Bland,
bland. And so, there. You think,
I think that if a restaurant chooses vanilla ice cream and decides to serve it and charge you for it for more than 50 pesos, you know, 150 pesos for a scoop of vanilla ice cream, tas wale yung vanilla ice cream,
ay, ayoko.
bastos yung owner ng restaurant.
I like rich vanilla ice cream.
Ako, I don't.
I like rich,
I don't like rich.
tasting vanilla.
Ako, I like parang something that gives me the vibe of I'm out of the country and I want to relax.
Yuck. What the heck? So, I don't get it.
Kasi kung makapal yung vanilla, masyadong rich, it's like, it's tiring.
Yuck. Bakit tiring?
Kasi parang it may work involved na parang, kailangan ko kainin to.
Masyadong flavorful, ganun.
Hindi naman. Parang, parang makapal.
Anong gusto mo? Manipis?
Kaya gusto ko soft serve.
Masarap ang soft.
Soft serve.
Yung soft serve sa Japan.
Yes.
Anong brand yun?
Yeah, ewan ko.
Makalimutan ko. Manny?
Lengua de Manny. Lengua ni Manny.
Lengua ni Manny. Manny's tongue. Lengua ba? Tama ba? Tongue ni Manny. Tongue na Manny. Now, Manny and Therese, they recommended this soft serve ice cream in Japan. Tapos masarap siya.
Sa may tubig.
Ha?
It's a franchise.
Sa may tubig. You can find it mostly everywhere. Pero we tasted it sa may, anong tawag dun sa spot na maraming, so yung, Dotonbori, sa may tubig.
So, I have another question before we go to the T-Swift. How do you... So this is what happened. I was eating the ice cream, right? Nag-ice cream kami ni Sab kapon. Vanilla, of course. I was enjoying it. Now, a cone. Right?
Yes.
And you know when the cone becomes a bit thinner?
Soggy?
Hindi, thinner na.
Yes, oh.
So after the first, kasi yun, bite, diba? When you get to the middle, lower half part, you kind of have to do a open O mouth shape.
Not really.
No, I mean you can't do a chipmunk.
Yes, you can.
With a cone?
Yeah.
Napatapos na?
Yes.
Hindi.
Or just, if it's that small, just eat the whole damn thing.
No. It's not that small. Kaya nga mid to end eh.
So, you're talking about having to put the whole thing in your mouth.
Medyo. So, medyo, like, in the words of Robert Frost, ibenga mo na.
Long pause. Okay.
So, anyway, I was doing that, the shape of a...
It was phallic. Is that what you're saying?
I think that's it. Yeah, medyo phallic yung itsura. And you're enjoying it, right? So parang there's pleasure in your eyes.
Parang OA naman ata yung visual na yun. Talagang pleasure in your eyes as you're putting the whole cone in your mouth. It's like, relax. It's not that good.
Hindi. Of course, hindi siya sobrang OA.
Eye-crossing good?
Hindi naman ganun. It's like parang there's just
T-Rex.
There's a T-Rex.
Jurassic.
I was gonna say.
Jurassic mode. Jurassic pleasure. T-Rex mode. Okay. Right.
Ganda ng T-Rex mode. So, pag ano ko, sumakto, there was this guy who kasi we were sitting in the yung seating, yung indoor seating na nasa dadaanan ka ng lahat ng tao ng mall. I don't know why we opted to do that because like everyone's looking at you eating food. It's kind of weird.
So, you mean right outside the...
Yeah, right outside the restaurant, but it's inside the mall.
Yes.
Gets?
Doon tayo punesto eh.
Hindi ko talaga gets why would anyone want to do that. Siguro dapat may wall, no?
I don't know. I think I did.
Or at least parang dapat may do you think that ako kasi like when I'm walking past people eating in a mall that are in the mall.
You mean kind of like in the hallway, you know?
Yeah, in the hallway. Tas yung daanan siya, tas nandun yung family. I make it a point na I will not look at them.
Oh, yeah.
Parang it's like someone going near.
I've never given this any thought.
I give it a lot of thought.
Ano titingnan mo sa'yo, tas parang, di wow, may pagkain kayo.
No, that's what I don't want them to feel.
Why would anybody feel...
Parang I don't want them to think like, dude.
Dami yung pagkain, gano'n?
Hindi.
Parang, wow, family day. Gano'n. Ba't judge mo sila yun? No? Nanahimik sila. Wow, ice cream. Hindi masaya. Oh.
Hindi. It's not even about judging. Like, I don't want them to judge me. Like, parang, dude, what the fuck are you looking at? Parang gano'n.
Okay.
And we're eating. Anong gusto mo?
So weird. I don't think anybody's looking at people walking to...
Nagaganon ako.
Weird. Jim's covering his face.
Anyway.
Okay.
So sumakto nga lang na I was eating that cone. Tapos may guy, and then alam mo yun, kasi because nga you're in the hallway.
Tapos tumirik yung mata mo.
Nagkatinginan ng mata while I was eating the cone.
Okay.
So it's not an issue eating a cone in public?
I don't think so, and I've never had...
Maybe just look down. Look down at the cone.
I think what's more, is the licking of the vanilla.
That's what I was asking
around.
pala. Sorry, yun pala. The licking rin. Like, kumari, gaganon ka.
Please don't make eye contact with anybody.
Hindi, kaya nga, how do you, so you just look at the cone, like, ganon.
Oh my God, stop! Or close mo na lang yung eyes mo. The tongue movement doesn't have to be like that. Jim's making some lewd tongue. Ay nako, sana buti na lang di nakikita to. Anyway,
Tay Swift. So ako, I would like to say, first of all, I'm a late Swiftie. Mm-hmm. Like, I always like I always like the bangers. Like, I always knew. And then I fell in love when we watched that documentary on Netflix, yung Red.
Which one?
Like
Miss
that?
Americana?
Miss Americana. I fell
Same.
in love there. And then Folklore came out.
And then Pawn Sessions.
That's when I got obsessed. And I was like, oh my God. And ever since Folklore came out, honestly, it's the only thing that's on repeat. Whenever I'm sleepy, I'm having a bad day, I listen to Cruel Summer. When I want to feel things, I listen to My Tears Ricochet. This Is Me Trying. So anyway, nung lumabas to, I was very, very excited. Love the marketing. As in, like, this was the first time in a long time na I was looking at when an album is coming out. Like, talagang, super anticipating it. Grabe. Even yung Billie Eilish, actually, I'm excited. So anyway.
There's a new one coming out?
So, when it came out, sakto pa, I was having a rough day. I was going to the office and then I was feeling sleepy. Listened to Cruel Summer. And I saw, oh my God, out na pala.
Yeah.
And again, to all the Swifties, kung hardcore Swiftie ka, I respect your opinion. Like, if you don't like this, of course, you have every reason. Like, you have your connections na with her previous work. For me, everything that we're gonna talk about is connected to the T Swift that I connected.
Yeah.
So, kung kayo, like, you liked yung mga nasa Sleepless and all these things and whatever.
Sleepless? Speak Now?
Speak Now.
May Sleepless ba?
Sleep Well?
That's a brand of sleeping pills.
Sorry.
Sleep Easy.
No,
it's
sorry.
Sleep.
Yun yung linya-linya shirt.
Sleep Well. Kasi Speak Now.
Sleep Now ata. Anyway.
Sleep Well.
Yeah, so Fearless. Sleepless. Ginawang Sleepless. So, anyway, yun, sabi, like, I just want to say before you go into it, like, I love this album. It's so fucking good. Any T Swift is so good at fun. I love when she throws an F-bomb. It's always perfect. It's always and ako personally, like, she continues to use, like, pop culture references in her songs, right? Na originally, for other artists, it's like, ano yun? Kasi nga, there was a band na parang, ano yun? I-delete ko na ang face Friendster mo. So that, for me, that, like, oh.
You don't like that?
I don't like it. But with Tay Tay, I super love it. Because, yeah.
You know, there are some people who I think they just really hate on her. And they just, I don't know, they have accused her of writing her lyrics using AI.
Tangina naman.
And I'm curious to see if we could have AI write Taylor Swift songs and see how well they could
It won't be good.
I don't know. Let's try it later. Chat GPT.
So, obviously, Fortnite. This is the first time, honestly,
Sobrang LSS ako sa Fortnite.
First time ko mapakinggan si Post Malone.
Ako rin. Ay, hindi. Narinig ko siya sa ano.
Yung circle, yung sunflower.
Yes, which is so funny because I thought,
Sunflower
no, that's Vampire Weekend. Kainis. No, nakakatawa pa kasi akala ko yung Post Malone sa Sunflower, which is the Spider-Man theme song, akala ko siya yung sa first verse. Hindi pala siya yun.
First verse.
Yung tebere pep 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 pep
no, that's not it.
tebere pep. Bakit? Sino ba yun? Oh, hindi mo rin naman alam.
Spider-Man.
Si Spider-Man. Si Pre Malone daw yun. Muli. Maganda yung voice ni Post Malone.
And
No?
nakakatawa, I've been, yung IG Reels ko ngayon, puro mga, how to make a stock plugin for Post Malone. So apparently, sobrang wild pa na ng fans ni Post Malone.
Oo nga eh.
So
Tsaka
das-
grabe yung chemistry nila,
yung
diba?
sikat niyang song,
Ano yung sikat ng song?
which I think I've been hearing in a lot of malls,
Ano to?
is yung Circles.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
You know it if you hear it.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, Fortnite started out, and number one pala, another reason why I love Tay Tay now is because of her work with Desner
Yeah.
of The National. So he
Started with the folklore, right?
Yeah, he started producing. So all the elements are parang ano nga, if you listen to The National, I love The National. The way in the mix, the way they mix, like kuwari, yung Clara Bow, that's so The National. The way the guitar and the bass is set up, it's so beautiful. And then you mix it with Tay Tay's melodies. It's so perfect. Kaya honestly, hindi ko pa na-finish hindi ko pa natatapos yung buong album.
Ako rin.
Kasi I just keep playing the ones I love. So you want to pull out the track list. So
the
obviously
ones that you like.
I love Fortnite. When and the video, sabi.
Yun nga eh.
Talagang
Si Jim kept messaging me. I'll post screenshots of his messages to me.
kinikilig talaga ako. Like I wanted to hug
Fortnite.
Yeah, Fortnite. Tortured Poets, so good.
How does this go again?
You're not Dylan Thomas. I'm not Patti Smith.
We're modern idiots. Hindi ba siya si ano? Tortured Poets Department. Shut up.
Hindi, maganda yung, you left your typewriter in my apartment.
That's it. So it's about Matt Healy.
Who are the typewriters anyway?
You know what? We're not even gonna talk about what it's about. Pero marami kaming nabasang theories. Gusto ko to yung ano, My boy only breaks his favorite toys. I like that.
That's good.
Down Bad, sobrang jam.
Ako grabe.
First time I heard it, I was like...
Yeah. First time.
And we listened to I listened first to the explicit one. So I was really like, oh my gosh, she's saying a lot of bad words. Wala lang. Tas there's a version na puro clean pala. So it's great because, we can play it at the mall.
I think this first album, di ba it's a double album? It ends with The Alchemy yata eh. I
don't know.
It doesn't. So anyway, that's awesome.
Here, wait lang. It ends with Clara Bow. Which is funny. You know what? My mom always used to call my little sister Clara Bow.
Cute.
Yeah.
So, yun, Clara Bow. So, you, na, 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 na. Ang ganda. And then in the ending, it's sobrang nakakatawa, sobrang fanboy. Like when she said, you look like Taylor Swift. I'm like, oh my God! Taylor Swift!
That's so funny.
Sobrang kinilig. Like, oh, cute! So, kung galing niya.
Lol.
Ang galing niya, she could talk about, like, it's like, imagine a cheat song saying like,
You look like Jim Bacara. What do you think about Thank You, Amy?
which one is that?
Yung about kay Kim. Do you know about that?
Oh, yeah, no, I haven't listened to that.
So, but you know of it.
No.
You see all the letter, the K-I-M
yeah.
are all caps.
Oh, wow.
So it's about Kim Kardashian.
Oh.
And then, sorry, wait. And it's, as in, it's about a bully, blah, blah, and then, fuck you, Amy, galit na galit siya. And then yung ending is, thank you, Amy, kasi parang, she's where she is now because of her. Because she was bullied. Parang ganun. Ito yung ano eh, yung hit line dyan is, ano yun? My mother, everyone knows that my mother is a saintly woman, but she used to say she wished that you were dead.
Ganda.
Yeah, and so medyo controversial yon because like I think Kim, if I'm not mistaken, posted something like I would never wish anybody dead or something like that. Nag-aaway pa rin sila.
Laugh
Lol.
Ano pa? Wait, sorry. I love which one is the I'm so depressed on my birthday.
Sobrang split yung Twitter verse, X verse, Threads verse about that.
Why?
A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people love it.
Okay.
I think it's the only upbeat one, diba?
Kaya nga I love this album kasi
What's it called? I Can Do It With a Broken Heart.
is that the one?
Yeah. That's the one
The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived. I love this song.
Was any of it true? Gazing at me starry-eyed.
Ganda.
ganda ng voice
That's,
niya.
yeah, and I don't know, she really found her voice. I love it so much. Like, there's I'm such a sucker kasi for yung ganung vulnerability.
Yeah. Breathy.
Not even.
Kasi yung first song niya, yung Fortnite, it is very Lana coded. Have you ever listened to Lana Del Rey?
Yeah, ako naman. That's
I was supposed to be sent away, but
Diba? Brave, calm, and get me.
ang ganda.
Ano yung kanta ni Lana Del Rey, ano? On t-shirt with nothing but your t-shirt on. Maling kanta. Blue jeans, white shirt. Walked into the room, you know, you make your eyes burn.
Please watch the
It
SNL.
was like James Dean, for sure.
Anyway, that is our very unprofessional and
The non-Swifty, non-super hardcore Swifty review
yeah.
of Tortured Poets Department store.
Yeah. So please go to bit.ly/podkidsafterparty. Cuento Cuento. Let's start a thread. Yeah, please share this episode. Tag us on Instagram because that's where we reside.
Boy dancing.
Bye!
Bye.